Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Litecoin has recently broken out a down channel on the daily time frame chart. This was the channel, and an ascending triangle. This was the ascending triangle, and an up channel as well. And this was the up channel. And you can see that after breaking out all these patterns, price has pumped very well. And recently we have broken out this long-term resistance of $100. And now the price line is moving above the next long-term resistance of $135. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line is retesting the previous resistance of $135 as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. After the breakout, the price could not break out this long-term resistance of $100. We got stable rejection here, and now we have broken out this resistance, and right now it is breaking out this next long-term resistance of $135. On a 4-hour time frame chart, we have broken it out, and even on the daily time frame chart, the price line is closed above this resistance. And on the 7 days time frame chart, I'm expecting that soon we may see another closing above this $135 resistance as well. I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 5th of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 116%, very massive rally. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared in the month of May on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That is a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Litecoin has completed on a monthly time frame chart, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 5th of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Litecoin completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal. And so far it has rallied almost 116%. Now let me to take you to the long-term trade signal that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members, and that is a very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal setup, a harmonic Gartley pattern that Litecoin completed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line is geared up, and now it is about to move out from this potential reversal zone, still moving inside this buying zone. I'm expecting that now soon it will be moved out and it can hit the sell target zone. By the way, the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley pattern starts from $224 and goes to $348. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have already hit the target for all these patterns. We broke out this channel, we broke out this ascending triangle, we broke out this up channel. And the target for the breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel at $100. And we have already hit the target, even the price and rallied beyond that target up to $147.6. And now we are moving above this resistance of $135. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that Litecoin has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, price end was rejected for several weeks or months by this resistance of $100. That was previously working as support here, and resistance here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance. We got stable rejections here, and we got another rejection here. Despite this long spike, the price could not break it out. And again, we got another rejection here, and now we have finally broken it out. Now, on the 7 days time frame chart, so far the candlestick is not closed above the next resistance of $135. By the way, this $135 was previously working as a resistance here, support here, and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance for the price line of Litecoin. On a daily time frame chart, the candlestick is closed above the resistance of $135. And on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that the price line is retesting this previous resistance of $135 as a support. And I'm expecting that soon we may see another closing on the 7 days time frame chart above this resistance as well. Now, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. So far, the price end did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.